Last time on Sailing Aquarius, we took you to Turkey and took you through the Bosphorus Strait. Today, we're planning to take you for more exploration, and we got it good. The weather is nice, we all ready until... What's going on? We get stuck, literally.
I guess it's pretty exciting because other people are filming us. Oh, more people coming over. Turkish style.
But soon, commotion is over and we are free to go explore this magnificent city. And we are back to the waters, back to the Bosphorus Strait. So much more to admire. This place has so much to offer, but we decided we already know what we want to see. And that is Sultan's Palace. And its harems. Oh yeah, baby. First we saw it when we took a tour on Bosphorus Strait. It looked absolutely stunning, and the history intrigued even more. According to historians, Dolmabahçe Palace was ordered by the empire's 31st sultan. Previously, the sultan and his family had lived at the Topkapi Palace, which we showed you in a previous video. But the sultan felt that medieval Topkapi Palace was lacking in contemporary style, luxury, and comfort as compared to the palaces of the European monarchs. It was started in 1843, and for example, France was showcasing its Versailles already since 1634. Whereas the Topkapi Palace has exquisite examples of tiles and Ottoman carving, this palace is all about gold and crystal. It is the biggest royal palace of Ottoman Empire sultans.
So this beautiful place is closed today. Some of them are open only on Monday, and some of them are closed only on Monday. And go figure. Lots of people.
It's closed today.
Good. No more harem for you. Sorry.
Palace was the home for the last 6 sultans of the Ottoman Empire. So we were not able to get into the palace, but then we saw a beautiful cafeteria inside the gardens of a palace and right on the Bosphorus Strait. So we got lured in by the beautiful cakes and beautiful views.
Good. I'm not Captain Cook. I'm Captain Cake. All I need to do is gain like 50 pounds again.
So it's not even noon yet. And how many cakes you already had this morning?
3. But I only had like parts of it. I didn't really eat the whole thing.
I think we've done everything in this place, so we're off to explore other places.
Hey Captain, looks like you're in trouble. How's your ship? The chimney's underway.
My ship sank. Half underwater. Let's go.
Striding through beautiful streets, we navigated to Galata Tower, one of the most popular landmarks in Istanbul. It's a restored 5th century tower and former prison overlooking the Bosphorus. Inside, it has very nice exposition, but of course, the most spectacular are the views. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems I can keep staring at this view forever. I guess it's also a nice relaxing view, which is so appropriate as we are wrapping up our 5th season of Sailing Aquarius. Wow, what a journey, and still so much more to come. We will be packing up our suitcases again and taking off back home to US. Lots of shopping there for Aquarius, meeting family, friends, and so much more.
Do you like it? Very cool.
The city goes on forever.
And ever.
She's showing off.
Out he goes. That was really, really cool. Loved it. I want a medium. Everything, no chocolate.
Vanilla,
Vanilla, strawberry,
normal anlaştılar. Buyurun. Yes, please. Ticket. Buyurun. Ticket. Yes, please. Ticket. Varsa 200. Buyurun. kamera var. Test. Test test test. Test 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 test. Test. Hoppa. Okey. Uçan.
Is it good?
Woohoo! Ticket. Oh my god. Come here, come here, come here.
I want some too.
Huh?
I want one too.
Aha, oba. Safe.
Strawberry.
Buyurun. Oh my god. Yes, please. Ticket abi. Oh my god. Yes, please. Oh my god. Ticket abi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mersi abi. Yes, please.
For our last dinner in Turkey, we choose a restaurant with fabulous views, delicious food, and meanwhile eating, we experience the pray time, when all city chants prayers around us. What the feeling!
Video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.